There once was a ship that put to sea, and the name of that ship was the Billy O.T. The winds blew harder, bow dip down, blow me bully boys blow. Soon may the wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. There once was a ship.
강원도 삼척에서 만날 수 있는 소울 비치에서 유럽풍의 산토리니 광장의 일출 풍경을 드론 영상으로 담았습니다.
Soon may the wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go.
그리스 산토리니 마을을 모티브로 건축한 소울 비치 호텔의 하얀 외벽과 파란색이 만들어내는 환상적인 전망을 보며 저도 놀랐답니다.
Before the boat had hit the water, the whale's tail came up and caught her. All hands to the side, harpooned and fought her when she dived down low. Soon may the wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the diving is done, we'll take our leave and go. No line was cut, no whale was freed, and the captain's mind was not on greed, but he belonged to the whales and his greed. She took that ship in tow. Soon may the wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. Da 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 For 40 days or even more, the line went slack and tight once more. All boats were lost, there were only four, still that whale did go. Soon may the wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. The spars are frayed, the fight's still on, the line's not cut and the whale's not gone. The wellerman makes his regular call, turn chorus, captain, crew and all. Soon may the
여러분, 가족이 함께 그리고 연인이 함께 즐길 수 있는 그리스 산토리니의 하얀 외벽과 파란색이 만들어내는 환상적인 전망을 즐길 수 있는 삼척 솔비치에서 여유로움을 즐겨보시면 어떨런지요?